now it's time for the VHS opening y'all been waiting for. The 1983 VHS of Airplane 2: The Sequel. Front, spine, top, other spine, and the back. Doesn't show the rating unexpectedly. Here is the tape, yes. Vertical sticker label, end label. Running time is 84 minutes and it's rated PG. Here's the opening to this tape. Yes, I heard something. Yep, acid trip FBI warning screen. Yes, of course, this has the Paramount logo instead of the Paramount Home Video logo. Ah, crap. I can't slide the VHS in. So that's the VHS of the 1983 VHS of Airplane 2: The Sequel.